Hi, I'm Brad Benish. I'm a mechanic for Husqvarna Motorsports USA. But for here for 6 days, I'm working for the factory KTM race team, Kailub Russell's mechanic. I'm just going to show you the bike real quick. The bike is 100% built at the factory shop in California. It's basically a full factory spec, how we build it, how we race it in the United States. Just kind of going over all the basics here. Full FMF system. Engine is built all in-house in California. Factory KTM engine. Hinson clutch system. Going around. Let's see, we got Dunlop tires. Those are mounted on XL-60 wheels. We have factory WP forks and shock. And as far as grips, handlebars, sprockets are all Renthal. Let's see here, what else we got? Levers, ARC levers for clutch and front brake. I'm getting smaller stuff. Shifter, stock shifter. On the other side of the brake pedal is a stock pedal with a short Enduro Engineering tip with a brake snake mounted to it. Rear brake, the factory Brembo caliper. And that's about it. It's basically just a standard factory setup that we do in California.